Bánh là lem.
Nó không mấy. Hình môi.
Testing.
Hi, Abu Andrew.
Aku van again vile.
And this is Sarah.
Dammo. Itu roh.
Strawberry in both ends, pina colada, dreamsicle.
Usa ringi lam dona.
Thanks. Yeah.
There you go, Chen. You're welcome. Strawberry. Good, give me a strawberry. What's happening? Mix them.
We're 13.
Fish le polta.
Abahan, twin island
Ka ya cha kom kom la diet ta la.
kan la fer nga.
Official ko pang.
Cái tụi em cái check bag nó bị mất lỗ hết trơn biết lỗ thấy bụng lỗ thấy bụng dễ lắm rồi. Andrew, look at my darling here.
Aku hơi thay đổi nha.
This is Babita. I'm Kishore Kumar, okay?
I bought 2 bags of this.
That's why I said it.
Hey Judy. Hello everyone.
Say hello.
Hello, em. Ya te kalian dia kan. Kan ka.
I got my 17-year-old Sundays.
Mau pilih kuota.
Pero thầy khóc mày.
Nang alam na le.
Pero cái tiền làm gì vậy?
Đi mơ chả lá cắt hết rồi là gì nè.
Nga chalam.
Nó chả lá mới là được bóc đi rồi.
Hello.
Congratulations, Frankie and Rosalind.
Sai
All
zo.
the best. And when the first one comes, name her Helen.
Nó chơi về đó nè. Zai thiam boka.
Congratulations. Ik mag eens weten, hello, kazai don.
Aduh lagi benar sih bayar yang saya minta sekarang masih kan tuh dengan hasil
Anh này tiêu tên này nè. Đi mấy tuổi. Ai tai.
La mà mà nó tiền được tất cả thứ nào chân chúng là sạc. Sẽ rất minh.
Uchua mà đi tao mới.
So itu pun
Also, I need to sign those papers. Come on.
Chứ thì do như mồi. Là chẳng đây mình lâu xe đâu nữa mà. Cảm ơn. Hello.
Cần đâm tlang ấy.
Cần tâm trang ấy, cần lòm quy thế bộ.
Cần đâm cho
Ladies
cái
and
gì chứ?
gentlemen, we would like to welcome each and every one of you for this evening wonderful program.
Quen chưa?
I think the brides and the grooms and the bridal parties are ready. They're approaching now, and we will begin our program soon. We wanted to relax and enjoy
No,
some
fuck, I'm
and
from
eat.
Ngay về lỗi lộn. Hello. Cái lên đi, tao em.
Tome.
Serve a... Gente, le aceite.
So please wait for them. Frankie, Rosalind, and Frankie Phillips, please welcome them. Let's give them a hand. Look at this, look at this. There's a change in that. Come on. Oh, come on. Please welcome them.
Wait, we can all sit down now.
Come on, give them a hand again. All right. You know what you're supposed to do, right? Nobody's ringing the bell. I don't know why. You don't want us to kiss? Okay? Our first item tonight is a special song by Zai Oni. We will invite Zai Oni to come over here and repeat the song. Zai Oni. Be Zai Oni.
Maybe you like cucumber? Do you like cucumber?
Rau bụi.
Nhiều. Cái xe lầu Tết tốt.
Anh đi mà.
You may turn your eyes towards the entrance where the singers are singing from there.
I finally found what I've been searching for.
thang hin amani. I'm going to switch my gift of tongue. Those of you who do not get the gift of tongue, please excuse me. Maybe you have to ask someone to translate for you. In nei thang hin ama. Ani nei turkan hu phura thilege moni har sanna nei ruani. Pakhat zoka amopa zoka kha. Ake khalim chek maya apa ni rakha. Nupui nei chukawa nupur take o dia apa khan enga mo mama de. Ka ke hilim chelu tu ka intinya ka tiang nupui ka nei asan muton te boi thak tu to na sin dia. Apa khan lau thong reng su chung ke te chu mo sai bun thak mai do na lo ma dia. Ka tiang chia khan na nupui khan har sat na lo nei ve. A tho ka lo rim tui lo em mai ka lo nin. Apa ne na khan na se ka pa intinya mani do le ka tho rim tui si lo wa. Pasal ni turpo chu ka hu phure ma dia. Apa ka ek chung te tu lu ai thak ni zan mu thu na tong mi lo tur lo moi mak mai tu lom ti ni. Anu le pa te thu so yan so ma kar kha ta dia ma. Akar di na po chu luang takin akala tu khachu. Pasal khan khuma khan thira song ta chiam mai ni. Enge zo na si lo wa. Khum te ka hai le ta ti chu ni na song ve la. Anu punya orang hak lol me, ini kata kali tidak. Mari kita mulai high five. An baca kamu saya cium. Okay, can we have Kamui, please?
Flash on him.
In
After coming back from the honeymoon, the bride immediately picked up the phone and called her mother. And the mother was curious, what happened? How was your honeymoon and all? The daughter said, oh, mommy, everything went well, but as soon as the honeymoon is over, you know, it started becoming horrible. There are words that I have never heard before. Those 4-letter words, it's very devastating, Mom. Please come and pick me up. And the mother was worried. What could be those 4-letter words? Honey, what happened? Tell me what happened. Then hearing from her mother, she started crying. Oh, mommy, I can't even describe. The words are so horrible. It's 4-letter words. I'm embarrassed to say those things. I have never heard those kind of words before. Then the mother said, oh, honey, please tell me what are the words. And she said, you know, words like dust, washed, iron, cooked. Please come and take me home. We'll now invite Panova.
Good evening, everybody. When I had a local contact, my Rosalind at the Trangin Kenny Swan, my country now. Dona Poyan, my Rosalind Cati, don't point my Kaloti. So Bangin cut at the appointment of I among so. And Pony say at Tamzok Swan, my in Fetovin Karin. A like a local contact, not son. Bulpui Persu Patianani. Patian Koi, Nale, Patian Mangai now bangin. Kaini Mizong Zonga Tlap Lai Lober. Patian in Malsom Natam, Tak Min Paya. Fanu Fapa, Fa Patum Min Paya. And Fate, or Patian in Nen Kola. Kaini to Fate and Kol to Ring and Kling Lowe. Say Patian Koi now bangin. Boy Nasiam, Leklavin, and Puitin, Klangin. Kan em call ya chu bang sang kan lo me ma kan fa te hi an that wang po ni kher lo wanga pathian in min mai ba ni ka ringa voi khat poi kan veng lo tu ma hi so wang in an that wang chu ti lo the an in ka ring lo dona hei Rosalind hi an nung ber kan ina tranga chuak tur ti mai la ti nu pui pasal in the number and dona and thing at in new bahi can among people can tell or tell of home to kind of pull cop my who make Mazat can down to Amatelo Swan can call down the country Amaro so the rural Swan had young Lautina Le Patis in Zolua not then a newer Pasal chatak, ane dona bagian kan lo me ma kan lo pui yani. Tin ama pohi lo thui kan soi khat kop mai. Mizo zinga hian atlang puin I kabangai sein tiemo hi atam vak lawa sab zinga te chuan ni tin deu tho hian an tia ma se an dai rei vak chuam big lem lo. Mizo hoi kan dai rei zok ma ni ka ria sa ho hi zon ni tin deu thon I love you antia ma se thathum thali chung chuanin anin thena ma lo ni le trina so bangin mizo ina kan ti da ni thil thata kan ni ve fo tho in ka ring kanom dan le kan che dan tang yan kan mangai dan chu kan ko pui te he chuan an hre tho kan ni lom thu soi tu tam ta kan ai ma se punin min dai don la ba ka soi dong in pathian he na kan lom tak me ba so ba ka then ne rual he ti za celebration lom tura min ron kal pui thaya ba ngen kan lom ani ti tur thatak tak poimo tak tak in ne yang ti po kan thria amai ro su sumi su i thei ni len ke ni som na ron ngai poimo in zani na hian hun thatak ni ron man pui thei bang hian in chunga kan lom tak mi mewani amal mala lom tu soi thei ni selang in zapai ne na hian lom tu soi ka cha pe ma zani na hian amar su thiên thì thầy lục tiếp khó gì à so và min amal chọn cứu ma min kamen son lục mai mà amar su thiên thì sắc tu thấm tắc các chọn năng mà ni in phía kan lom tak mèo ni thì kan soi nan lẹ tua tên các soi to sau ang khan mai chọn pasal khatak anh này vui nung apo nau kon te ta trangin kan phe soba an thang lian soba rin mirin nom tak ni zai dam tak mi kaum ngai tak pasalata na thata nin ka te thina chu atakina lo thleng ta ania kan lom tak mewani chu ka thei taw mi se in zabai chu kan lom me
They said in the first year of marriage, man speaks and woman listen. In the second year, woman speaks and man listen. What happened in the third year? Any idea? They both speaks and the neighbor listen. Tuna po zuala kaloka.
Good evening, everyone. I'm so happy that tonight you all witnessed us having a new daughter. Purawaten fanu min pek vai kalom ebema. Sani na hemi you witness he abangin in the vai chunga lom tu kan sei doni. Hey neina di lodling tur here. We've been waiting quite a long time for them to get married. And finally, the day has come, the night has come. We're so happy. I'd like to mention just one name. Pirin Pui came all the way from Pennsylvania. I don't know who else comes from another state. I'd like her to stand up. She's our cousin. And I'd like to thank her for coming here with us tonight. I'd like to mention that all of you who has come tonight, and at the same time I'd like to mention that those people who have taken parts in the program, like singing, like so many things. I really appreciate the family of Phillips, really appreciate on behalf of my family, I'd like to say that. And I'd like to say also, Roslyn has done a great job. And the parents, both the parents, Purawa and Bisiami, myself and my wife, didn't get much involved in this wedding, except coming and attending this program. They have done all the works, the hard works, and everything has been done by them and by the friends who have been here in front. And tonight, Zanin here, I want to do a little bit of mixing with Zotong and the Saptong. Okay? I like to do one ceremony, a small ceremony. Roslyn used to come to my house. Sometimes she knocks. Whenever she comes to my house, she has to knock the door. Tonight, officially, I won't let her knock anymore. I am going to give her a key to my house. And the key she can open anytime. 24 hours, we welcome her, and I'm going to give it to her tonight. I don't have time to go up there, but I'll send somebody to give it from here so that we officially welcome her to open our doors every night, 24 hours a day. So I'd like to thank everybody. I hope you will enjoy the food and the programs onwards. Thank you so much tonight. Right, thank you.
After a quarrel, a wife said to her husband, "You know, I was a fool when I married you." And the husband replied, "Yes, darling, I was so much in love with you, and I didn't even notice that." So, be careful. We know. This is for Rosalind. To be happy with a man, you must understand him a lot, but love him little. And this is what we know now. To be happy with a woman, you must love her a lot and not try to understand her at all. Okay? That's a good advice, right? Okay, if William is ready, we will invite William to give a song now. Danny, if you're around.
For those who don't know me, I'm a friend of Frankie's and a friend of the family, actually. I've known the Phillips since 1998, actually. So, and I've met Rosalind probably shortly thereafter, after we graduated. And I realized this was a very close relationship, and I knew this wedding was coming, we just didn't know when. All right, I met Frankie in tech ed class, and that's the odd thing. I work construction now, but I didn't know how to work a hammer back in that tech ed class. So Frankie actually helped me get through that class. All right, and you'll remember, I didn't know how to work a computer either. Frankie was the one who set me up with my first email address, 1998, before everything now. All right? So, after school, I found myself hanging out at the Phillips residence all the time. I can remember Mr. Phillips always being at work, working hard for the family, and I admire that. And then Mrs. Phillips, I could be at the house for 5 minutes, Mrs. Phillips will offer me food. 5 minutes. I found that wonderful. I came from a rough family, and I really respected and admired their family. They were always there for me, and I felt like an extension of the family. So these friendships, they actually meant a lot to me back then, and it's something that carries on to this day. Soon after high school, though, we kind of parted ways. I wasn't always available. What happened was Frankie called me maybe a couple months ago. Frankie called me, and I hadn't heard from Frankie in a few months. Frankie tells me, I'm at work now, I just got a new job. I was hating it, I wasn't doing well at my job, and I already had problems with my boss. So Frankie calls me in the middle of the day. I answer the phone. Frankie, what's up? He's like, Danny, I need to talk to you. You got some time? I said, yeah, let me step outside. Let me step outside. I look around, look for my boss. He's sitting right over there. I look around, and I step outside and talk to Frankie. Frankie tells me he's getting married. I said, what? Frankie, to Rosalind. He said, yeah, who else? I said, okay. Now, keep in mind, this has been years. I don't want to say how many years, but this has been years in the making, okay? So, the person who wasn't able to talk earlier to his boss, because his boss was sitting right there, I walked back into my office. I say, Coach, I have to leave right now. He says, what? We have a release, we have this, we have that. I said, I have to leave right now. He says, why? I said, there's a family emergency. My brother's getting married. This is Wednesday, so it obviously wasn't that same day, but anyway, I met Rosalind many years ago, and I knew at that point there was something special there. And I am going to attempt to say a Mizo proverb. Alright, please forgive me. I'm definitely not going to say it in a language, but please forgive me. Alright, I was told the pronunciation of this word, so I won't butcher it. If the shell of a koi is good, the nut it bears is also good. That applies to Rosalind. To me, what you see is what you get. As beautiful, as kind, as pleasant as she is, this is what you get on the inside, and it penetrates throughout. So this occasion is very special to me. I actually am reminded of another Mizo proverb. Yes, I know how to use the computer now. It says, the right path is very steep and upward, whereas the wrong path is horizontal. That's a Mizo proverb, by the way. All right. That is synonymous to this day, this wedding. It took a long time for us to get here, but now the time is right. This is the opportunity for this day to happen. And this is the best time. We're all here, we're all happy, and we're gonna eat soon. So this was the time for this to happen, and I'm glad to be a part of this wedding. I'm so honored to be here. I wish you the best God offers in life. Long life, good health, and happiness. Hopefully next year we celebrate not only anniversary, but Mother's Day. We'll celebrate Mother's Day too.
I still have a few more items to go. I know you're hungry, but we'll try to move fast, okay? At this time, I will call Ma Puyi to propose a toast for the bride, and which will be followed immediately after that. Ma Puyi, It will be followed by Jamie Changte.
Well, let me start by saying that when Umay asked me whether I can be the maid of honor, the first thing which came into my mind and out from my mouth was, do I need to give a toast? But today here I am, standing in front of all the people here. Knowing how important today is for our friend Mai and Purnima, I'm still nervous, but yet that I can be here to share the most wonderful and happiest moment of their life, which someone like me who is still waiting for my happily ever after moment to come. Hopefully that will be soon enough. From this very moment, I hope and pray that their love for each other grows stronger and stronger every day till the end of time. And I wish the best for them. So, everyone, please raise your glasses to wish them the best and God blessings on their happiest moment.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I would like to wish all the mothers a very warm and heartfelt Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all. I'm pretty sure we all know why we're here. It's for the free food, y'all know. So if you're hungry, just bear with me. I would like to thank everyone for coming and making this day possible. Celebrate Frankie and Rosalind's wedding. It's been a long time coming. It's been 2 years of dating. Yeah, it won't be long. To the happy couple, may your life together be long and joyous, but not so happy that you forget friends. And to the shortest wedding speech ever.
All right. We have one more song, and we will have the cake cutting, then after that we are going to eat, all right? Before we have the song, maybe we will have the cake cutting, and if the most important people of this evening can come down here. We're going to see who is more generous between them. It's a big chunk. Now, what I wanted to do is that you're going to feed each other like birds. By mouth. Okay, let's see. If you can try them one another. Yes, for real. Like that. Okay. That's the way I like it, yes. We know I have to be now. Okay, you have to feed her. Time out. No. Thank you.
Like kiss lang yan. Kiss all.
Zombie come to an end of one side to the first saying. Zombie come to an. Ito na, zombie side to the so mga head so yan bukay yan na. Somal som na minigil sa tuloy kan so mga
single breath for granted. God forbid I'll leave you empty-handed. Hope you still feel small when you stand beside the ocean. Never one more chance through the door is open. When you get the chance to say what about, you get the choice. Promise me that you give faith a fighting chance. When you get the choice to sing it out or dance.
Kalau lutu kaya kami kalau presenter kena aku kembali na at sumang na dir ko rin kang sumang.
Patian may loko. Lalpa kan patian kan rinsan kanin nga na patian no. Chadna le ngil na kan nun na enkol tu. Voi na hian i mal som na kan don le. Mangai nai tar lan na song a hian lom thu kan thila che. Puro watanu pa fanu ipe ka. Puzuala tenu pa fa pa ipe ka an kuta lalpa ida ni tangin. Soi klei tu rai da ni tang khan voi ni thangin om puin mal isoma. Idne ram tan trong trai na lo lam thin te mal som in iti lo din saka. Voi ni ron then pui wang hen lalpa lom thu kan thu fok se. Hei ne na hian ang in ro pui na sang la. Lalpa nu patuak tharpo ma ang lak na se tura nangin om puyan se. Hei ang in nei na hin an mangai na bulin tran na. Mangai na lo puan suak ton to te lalpa ti pui ti na ni te na turin. Anu na lakhek le lalpa lain sum ten nei puin. Chung mangai na song chu an pat niya na ma na ning pum kata chung kuan din te na tura. Lalpa chakna ni te na turin thuam la. Anu le pa le unaw te song po mal som la. An chunga thil khen song nang ma an mangai na ti pum tu le anin kara. Mangai na ti pum tu ni se nangin ni tinila ma ipin fuayang se. Lalpa he mal som la. Loi cho tu na hian kan kil ho dona. Nang chutlak cham na po ithil ti the na le mangai na puan chuana mang thin tu pathian ini. Kana khuain nei na mal som tu khan he roi hi mal som che. In nei ta chum kwa le lalpa nu potuak thar tan le. Akil pui to tan song mal som na ni the na tu rin. Kan lalpa Isu Krista min kan dila che. Amen.
Tikan intun na ngay kan lo chu lagin incho daw tan to ranon silang chewa.
Ready, one, push one.
Kan ei dagen.
Yeah. Okay. It's all about Frankie and Rosalind.
to the left, slide to the right, crisscross, crisscross, cha-cha real smooth. Let's go to work. To the left, take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time, 2 hops this time. Right foot, 2 stumps, left foot, 2 stumps. Hands on your knees, hands on your knees. Quit fucking with it. Oh, yeah. Come on, cha-cha now, y'all. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like it never stop? Can you bring it to the top? 1 hop. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 1 hop this time. 1 hop this time. Reverse. Reverse. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops, 2 hops. 2 hops, 2 hops.
Now I'm naked, you say I'm a king.
Hands up. If you're having a good time, make some noise. There you go, there you go. Yeah, it's all about my 80s babies tonight. If you're an 80s baby, make some noise.
Love is